welcome to another webisode, episode, or whatever type of sode, whatever the fuck this is. You know what it is. You know. Of the Blue Report. I'm Richie Bleu. I have another request here. This is Chip 34 shots. He was probably a little tired. I don't know what it is, but he might be taking shots at some niggas or whatever. He's fully capable of doing it. I think he's like we all know he can't run out of bars. That's like a slogan and shit. The man just keep writing. He's doing his thing. You know, he took on Youngin, Bugsy. I don't know if he really took on Big Nasty. I don't know if you would call that Big Nasty. That guy's fucking hilarious to me. I like when he does that Uncle whatever the fuck that shit is. When he answers questions and shit. That shit was hilarious. I was watching that shit for a good minute. I kind of fell off. But you know, Chip is one of those dudes that I see his work and I think he deserves way more credit than he gets. I don't know. Like I said, I'm over here in the States. I think a lot of artists from over the sea should receive way more attention than they do from over here. And we seen with the Nine situation with that fuck nut nigga that stole the bars and stuff. I'm pretty sure there's more fuckery like that going on. I watch a lot of battle rap, and that shit happens in battle rap damn near all the time. When people assume it when you flip their bars a certain type of way. You didn't even try to flip it. The nigga stole it. We know that situation. Go check that video out if that's, you know, it's 9 bars plus thief. That's the title. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he's shooting at somebody. So I want to see what's going on. Link to the original video will be in the description box below. We're gonna get straight into this and see what the fuck Chip is talking about. That's Chipmunk from Tottenham.
Swift production. No, I don't wanna hurt no one. Chat about bars like guns is fun. I pop, just for fun. So carry on as your thing gets fun. No, I don't wanna hurt no one. Chat about bars like guns is fun. I pop, just for fun. So carry on. You'll get 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Bust shot till you can't take no more. 1 got 3 in the face, 1 got 3 in the chest. Both left dead on the floor. I just aim and shoot with a pen. Find an MC and shoot him again. He ain't dead yet, shoot him again. We laugh and bun twos when you're dead, man, I murder raw. Fuck around and I murder y'all. I take shots in the booth, no chaser, but I ain't too burst to burst the bar. To fuck around and I
Cash motto. I said cash motto.
I burst your dog. It's cash motto when you heard the bars. Yeah. Last year they had me letting off them. Boom bang, 1 pad, 1 pen. What we saying then? Cause he was on it now, look at him running. He had guts till I play stomach. I'm on a Mac team, macking them up. Stop it, I want, I don't run it around. So, brilliant flow. Shoot at my platform, 1 million soul. Killer MC on the net was gold. Took shots, never hit across bar or post, just me. Shoot a sniper, call me Bob Lee. Swagger aiming properly. And if he's loud with grime, it's cause me. Drop the monk, C-H-I-P. Still in the booth with liquor and weed. Hit man, but I don't do it for the peas. I just leak man down for the seeds. Better than me, in your drinks. Original Beyblade spinner. My man's two-face, who's that nigga? You're just an artist, you're not a killer. 6, 7 man, 1 song, what a driller. Gal them sugar, sim sim simmer. See me round town with smirks and a bimmer. These little man wanna try and get bright till I dish out the waps. Dim dimmer, spit for the skriller. Blackstrap pillar, household names still wanna get bigger. One direction when I pop weight, nigga. Actor, you should've been on top weight, nigga. Flows on incredible. Oh, wow, Costco, yeah, man, get it in bulk. Just got a brand new MacBook Pro, but it's cool, Mac 10 when the shots up low, yeah, let.
Top Boy. Sully. Deshane.
That goal, the kickback, whoa. Pick an MC like tic-tac-toe or ching-chang-chong. I hit that bomb, blast my head off and get the blasting on the car. Right now I'm gonna run for the money. I give you top 5 and run for the money. Try MCs on the wave, goodbye MCs. Out, goodbye, bye MCs. No, I don't hurt no one. Chat about bars like guns is fun. I pop, just for fun. So carry on as your thing gets fun. No, I don't wanna hurt no one. Chat about bars like guns is fun. I pop, just for fun. So carry on, you'll get. I don't wanna hurt no one. Bars like guns is fun. Just for fun. Carry on. I don't wanna hurt no one. Bars like guns is fun.
All right. That was 34 shots from Chipmunk. I still call a nigga Chipmunk. That's what he came in the game as. That's what your motherfucking name is. I changed my rap name once, and I'm not changing the motherfucker again. But I still kind of go out of other name as well, so it is what it is. Shit was fire. I caught multiple bars up in there. It's 2 minutes and, well, it started about like 10 seconds in, so we say 2 minutes and 30 seconds, 2 minutes and 30 seconds of fire. He was just shooting at the screen. The video was ill. Niggas in the woods and all that shit. I don't know if it was the woods or the woods behind the grocery store or some shit, but it was definitely the motherfucking woods. He hopped out and he just started rapping and snapping, because that's what the fuck he does. It had a hook on it, which seemed to be the beginning and the end, or just the end, but it had like something that was repeated. Chip will, like, in my eyes, he will forever be ill. I would like for people to start recommending, because I was going to get around to this eventually, because this is like one of my favorite artists from over there. So, favorite artists, whatever, from over there. Please start recommending me, like, individuals I do not fucking know, because I'm always going to go to the go-to. You know what I mean? So, like, somebody recommended a person named Burner. I'm going to check that out, low-key. I think I might know low-key. That was low-key. That's the same dude that was coming at Chip before. Each and which way. Yeah, start recommending individuals that, you know, that are under the radar. Like when somebody recommended AJ Tracy, I didn't know who the fuck AJ was. That shit was fire. You know what I mean? Or just like music I haven't. I'm gonna get into Chip because I know Chip is Rex. Like I said, I know these dudes, so I'm gonna gravitate towards them automatically. And when certain new music come out, like I think his name is Gecko. I don't want to fuck his name all the way up. The little, he's probably grown now. Like, what the fuck is that song? It's in his language, because I think they're like Middle Eastern or whatever. But Gecko. He has like a fucking reggae feel to him as well. That shit is dope. That shit is ill. That's different as fuck. And the 34 shots, I will be returning to it because I gotta catch all the damn shots. I'm not really all the way 100 here, but I'm here. If you hear what I'm saying. But like, comment, subscribe, share, dislike if that's what you're into. I would like to thank you for joining me for the Blue Report once again. And we just checked out Chip. Chip is forever going to be ill to his demise and shit, to me. So, you know, I think he can make another run over here. I really do, with the right people behind him and the right individuals going with him. Not saying that the T.I. situation is not the right situation. It's just, he could have done, I don't know, he could have shot somewhere else and it would have worked out a lot more. Because you got to remember, when Meek Mills first got out of jail, T.I. was like the first nigga on him. And if I'm not mistaken, he had him for a little bit. And it just didn't stick, it didn't work out, you know what I mean? And then what happened? Rick Ross got a hold of him. You know, boom. And speaking of that, shout out to Rain. Rain is from the battle rap world, you know, rap battles, whatever the fuck you want to say, whatever. I watch it, like I said, and he just got picked up by MMG. Don't know if it's a production deal or an artist deal. It might be a dual deal. If so, get that money. That's a little bit of extra bread. Make it work. He's definitely a lyricist. The nigga can rap and he makes some fire beats, so shout out to him. But like I said, it all depends on the situation that you're aligned with that'll make shit work better for you. You can be in like, certain labels work for certain people and certain labels just don't work for certain people. So you gotta keep trying. You gotta, if you fall off the horse, get back up on the horse. Don't just sit and just be, hey, you know what, this situation didn't work, and that one run I did over there amongst these billions of motherfuckers and millions of people or whatever, so I'm just gonna stop. Your grind is heavy over there, try again over here. Just keep trying. Like, you know, you got fans here. I'm not gonna say the nigga don't have fans. It's just, I think it should be riding, a broader amount of people should be on your a nigga wave and shit. Like, same with Nadia, same with all these people. Like, y'all, I'm banging over there. But I genuinely believe that y'all deserve to be banging over here. For real, for real. And not just certain artists. Like, it's a good amount of y'all motherfuckers that's snapping. But I'm babbling. Thank you for joining the Blue Report.
Rolling with my roadie, riding for my woodie. All these rappers, actors, they deserve a tune. Wish a nigga would, I don't think you should. Keep a couple pistols like he Axel Foley. We done made $1 million off of kerosene. Got connects from Poppy, straight from out of Medellin. Bleu.